We're going to show you how to sign in clerks, sign out. 0 clerk. Register mode closed. This means we can't use the register. There is no clerks. It's telling the register that the end of the day is here and we are done. 1 clerk will sign us back in. We're ready to use the register again. So once again, 0 clerk will sign you off. Register mode closed. 1 clerk will sign you back on. You'll find the clerk key on the top right corner. It's labeled pink, C-L-E-R-K. 0 clerk. We're back to closed. Now that your register is ready, you're ready to start your day. Inputting prices is quite easy. Type in the amount, followed by the department. All these keys are programmed with tax. So your subtotal is $2.18 on a $2 item. If your customer gives you exact change, go ahead and hit cash. Your drawer will open. For a $5 subtotal, $5.44 subtotal, your customer gives you a $10 bill. Your register has the ability to let you type in the amount received, hit cash, and the register will show you change due.